Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Polomi. Hope you all are doing pretty well and your health is absolutely fatafati. In Bengali and in English that's called bindas. Yes. Friends, can you guess that recipe which I am showing in my video today? Little bit? If anyone is having any guess in this recipe, please do comment me in my channel. Okay? Well friends, this is white chicken you may call, or you may call it, or you can give a new name. Truly, because I really don't know what is the name of this recipe. I invented this chicken recipe. For this I took pumpkin seed, peanut and poppy seeds, which I have already soaked for 2 hours. Now all these ingredients I am putting it in a mixing jar and I made a paste, not very thick, neither very thin. I took 500 gram of chicken. To marinate I added salt, haldi and almost 2 to 3 spoon of curd just to marinate. This will help the chicken to get more soft. The texture of the chicken will be very soft if you definitely marinate chicken with curd, vinegar and even lemon juice. Now in a kadai, I am giving almost 4 spoon of mustard oil. When the mustard oil heated, I am placing my chopped potato and I have to fry it out till the color of the potato becomes little golden. And when the color of the potato became golden, I took in a bowl. Again, in the same kadai, I placed 4 spoon of mustard oil to heat and then I placed almost 4 medium-sized chopped onion. And here, this recipe actually it is done by my husband. So he is cooking this chicken recipe. He invented this and now he added 2 green chili. Here we have used masala magic ginger garlic paste, and I found that BK's masala magic ginger garlic paste is really not having very much chemicals. So now I am using this ginger garlic paste. Very less amount of chemical is really used and you can preserve it for a little longer time in your refrigerator. Now when my onion is already fried, I am adding my marinated chicken and mix all of these masalas, marinated chicken pretty well and then cover it for almost 5 to 7 minutes. Within that 5 to 7 minutes, I took some whole spices, like you can see what are the spices, and I crushed it. And now in the chicken I have added this paste and mix all of these properly. I like chicken potatoes. The potato in the chicken curry, I enjoy the taste of that potato very much. So in this case, my husband said that should I give some potato for you? I said, yeah, obviously, definitely. So that's why potato has been added over here. And finally, this is the outcome of my husband's invention. So really, we don't know the name of this recipe. Please suggest us in the comment box what will the recipe be called, or better, you invent the name of this recipe. Thanks for watching.